Oh, yeah, you know.
Which I know you know.
This is my buddy Andy Rue. Yeah. Send this back to my friends in Chile. My buddy Matty here has been out for what, 3 days?
3 days.
3 days. He caught himself a moose. Parts of it, anyways.
It's all. Well, it's all of it.
Look at
It's all moose.
Once it's orange. Turn it over. And then
Yeah, I'll get some other video after. Oh, there we go. That is badass, isn't it?
There's all the meat. Meat's more important than the head, but
Yeah, but you packed them all out. You packed all this by yourself,
yeah.
right?
Loaded it,
for a couple
packed
days.
it, took it apart, and then throw it. That's all the cut up. So
wild, man.
all the loose meat, and then this is the front shoulders, and then the rear legs.
Yeah, you can see the gloves for.
Paddling, everything.
Man.
And then need all this stuff in here. So
duck,
or
too?
hot tent,
Where's the
a
duck
sleeping
at?
pad, another sleeping pad, wood stove, a sleeping bag, dry clothes in case of a crash.
This is you and Andy, or this is all you?
This is just me.
Holy
It's just him. I come just for one
You
day.
have to have all this stuff to like survive.
To survive, yeah, for sure. But that's
He's got some ducks too, wherever they're at.
Yeah, they're over here.
We've got ducks. They're already plucked and everything. He plucked them already.
This is what I
Look
eat.
at- This is what he eats.
So when
It's
I'm
fucking awesome, man.
I
You
just,
didn't try 'em?
so I plucked it already, and then I cut the meat off the bone with the skin, and then I fry that on the stove while I'm sleeping in the tent.
Dude, it's amazing.
That's what I eat.
that's camping life, eh?
I ate 3 of them last night, like a pig. Dude, the last piece I couldn't even eat it. I was like, I can't do it.
That's amazing, man. That's
I know,
wild.
Look at his car up there. When we pull up, just right
Yeah,
to the top.
let's load the boat, and then we'll load the meat,
boat.
and then we'll load the stuff,
Yeah.
and then
All
we'll
right.
do the car.
Say
And
bye, guys. For my friends in Chile here.
Chile. I want to go to Chile.